Not only did a lot of people lose their homes during Tuesday's storm, but dozens lost jobs after their employers' businesses were damaged or destroyed. Those businesses are working to quickly reopen. As News 13's Courtney Fegley reports, some are better off than others.
Some business owners are on their hands and knees cleaning up debris, doing whatever they can to become operational.
It's very bad, very bad. We got hit very bad. My all roof is gone, my ACs are gone, and very bad. This is the year, time of the year, very slow for us on the beach anyway.
Habib says he's struggling to make ends meet without customers bringing in business.
Over here is expensive because it's beach or right on water. And I'm paying like $13,000 rent. I don't have no electric, no customers, nothing, so it's very bad impact.
And his staff had to find new employment.
All of them gone because they have to look for other job. There is no way that I can pay this rent and pay the wages and stuff. So right now I'm just working by myself.
It's all hands on deck at Pirates Cove and Lighthouse Marinas as well. While they suffered major damages, business leaders say their situation isn't as dire.
Occupancy's been great, business has been great, and there's some incredibly beautiful boats in there. Most of them are fine. There's a few in the very back where the wall came down that are damaged, and we'll report those to the insurance company quickly and communicate to the owners. So it could be much worse.
Bert says staff aren't really affected by the damage.
This time of year is when we take our vacations, and we got several staff that are all over the place on vacation right now, and they're gone. But, you know, we're fine.
And they'll be open for business soon.
Lighthouse Marina is in better condition than this one. We'll open more than like this weekend. I think in 2 weeks we'll be 100% up and running, but perhaps won't have this barn to use at that point. And then, you know, we're famous for moving very quickly.
In Panama City Beach, Courtney Fegley, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Engineers are still assessing damages to the boat barn and whether or not it'll be a complete rebuild.